Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make multiple pictures same size in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show make multiple pictures same size. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now select from picture, so select from multiple picture. Now click for insert option. Then we show insert from multiple picture. Now move from picture side by side. Now select from all multiple picture. Now shift press and click from all picture. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a hide option. Now press from 10 and 10. Now press from enter. That is. Now we show make multiple picture is same size is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.